Welcome to our deep dive into a common yet critical engine issue, P0011, or Camshaft Timing Over Advanced. Understanding this code is vital for any mechanic or car enthusiast. It impacts performance, fuel economy, and engine health. First, let's grasp the basics. What exactly is camshaft timing, and why is it so crucial for your engine's operation? It dictates when the engine's valves open and close, ensuring the perfect air-fuel mixture for combustion. In a normally timed engine, the camshaft rotates precisely, allowing optimal airflow and exhaust gas expulsion. This precise dance of components is what generates power and efficiency. So, what does over advanced mean? It's when the camshaft rotates too far ahead of its ideal position. Imagine the valves opening too early, disrupting the delicate balance of the engine's breathing. This leads to inefficient combustion and a cascade of problems. Several factors can cause P0011. One common culprit is a faulty VV. These solenoids control oil flow to adjust camshaft position. If they fail, timing goes awry. Low or dirty engine oil can also lead to issues, as proper oil pressure is essential for VVT operation. A stretched timing chain can also throw off camshaft synchronization, causing the over-advanced condition. Finally, camshaft position sensor malfunctions can send incorrect data to the engine's computer. This leads the engine to believe the timing is off, even if mechanically it might be correct. How do you know if your engine is experiencing P0011? The symptoms are often quite noticeable. You might experience a rough idle, where the engine shakes or vibrates more than usual. Reduced fuel economy is another common sign, as the engine struggles to burn fuel efficiently. You'll likely notice decreased power, especially during acceleration, and of course, the illuminated check engine light. Diagnosing P0011 starts with an OBIDA 2 scanner. This tool confirms the specific error code. Once confirmed, you'll need to inspect the relevant components. Check the VVT solenoids for proper function and any signs of blockage or damage. Also, assess the timing chain tension. A loose chain is a clear indicator of trouble. Based on your diagnosis, repair strategies vary. Replacing a faulty VVT solenoid is a common fix. If the timing chain is stretched, a full replacement might be necessary, a more involved procedure. Prevention is always better than cure. Regular oil changes are paramount. Using the correct oil type and maintaining proper oil levels ensures your VVT system functions optimally. Adhering to your vehicle's maintenance schedule can prevent many timing-related issues. In summary, P0011 is a complex code, but understanding its causes and symptoms empowers you. Armed with this knowledge, you can diagnose and address the problem effectively. Remember, if you're unsure, always seek professional help to ensure your engine runs smoothly. Thanks for watching. Drive safe and keep your engine healthy.